Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle of History 1 at blogspot.com. This is my third vlog entry regarding my rotator cuff repair surgery that I had 1 week ago, August 27th. It's September the 3rd, Labor Day. It's been a journey. It's changing rapidly, and I want to share some things I've experienced, some things I've learned, some things I'm facing. Here we go. So last time I entered, I think it was 2 days after the surgery, maybe 3. I was in a different place then. If I review, I was taking, the hard drugs at that time because the pain was extensive. I'm off those except at night, so that's great. I went to my post-ops doctor's appointment on Friday, which was huge and a big turning point. They took me out of the sling for the first time. For a few minutes, they showed me some gravity exercises to use to get my arm moving, which is not what I've heard from other people who've had this surgery. I mean, I've heard inconsistent things about the protocol post-op, and I'm really glad that they took me out of the sling for a few minutes and that I get to do that twice a day to use gravity to keep my shoulder loose-ish, as it heals. That was good mentally to know that. So I've been doing that. I've got a little ball that I hold and squeeze to keep my forearm strong, because this can totally atrophy, it's gonna, but it's not gonna be quite as bad. And to keep the elbow loose, they showed me some other things. But because I had bicep repair surgery as well, I'm being really delicate with that. So the big sling I have is super hot, super sweaty, but it protects you. When I go back in the classroom, I'm definitely not going to wear what I'm wearing right now, but I'm outside, I'm at my house. It's going to be a lot safer situation. And in a moment, I'm going to go on sort of a walk with my dog. That's going to make me sweaty, which I'm excited about because I haven't done that kind of thing in a while. I will not swing my arm. It will be absolutely stationary, so I'm going to walk no faster than I can to do that. But physical activity is key for me, for my well-being. Always has been, and I know that will help me in a few moments when I do that. I'm just going to take like a 30-minute, maybe 45-minute, my first day. And I ordered a recumbent bike for the basement so that I can do that in the basement. The doctor said I could do recumbent bike. He said I could walk, but I can't swing the arm. And then when I go back, it's going to be 3 weeks post-op. They will assign my official PT prescription, and then I'll go and start official PT, and that will last, I guess, for 9 months, but there are different stages of that PT. So in terms of work, I'm going back tomorrow, Tuesday, September the 4th. A little nervous about that. Definitely got some mental hurdles to get through. Because I want to protect myself, I want to protect my arm, but I want to go back and feel one day and see how is it, because I guess I could have taken 8 weeks, I could have taken short-term disability or whatever. It's not ever what I've done, it's not comfortable for me, but if I go tomorrow and I feel like I'm putting myself in danger, I've already taken Wednesday off, so I've got that covered, got the sub-plans done. And if I need to take Thursday and Friday, I will do it. So that's how I'm approaching it. I think everybody has to do what is right for them. But I need to see my students. I need to be in my classroom. I need to feel how it's going to, is it going to be frustrating? Is it going to be rewarding? Is it going to be interesting to see how my students, react and help me and what they do? Because I know that they're going to be great. But at the same time, is it going to be exhausting because I can't do things? Like, what's it going to do to my brain, my approach, my spirit to be in that classroom, especially as a conductor and especially as someone who plays the piano on the daily in the classroom. So I'll have one hand to do that, and that's what I'll do. So that's where I am. That's the journey. I can see already the light at the end of the tunnel. I mean, I know it's crazy to say that at 1 week out, but because I'm going to be starting to do a little light workouts this week, cardio stuff, because I am going to get back to some semblance of normalcy a little bit. I've been super grateful for family and friends and my husband to help me through this. This is tough for everybody who's around because I'm not always the easiest patient. But that's where we are. So I hope that this helps some people out there who are facing it, choral teachers who are facing it or who have faced it. If you have, please leave comments, post, share with others. I'm going to keep sharing. All right, take care and have a great Labor Day.